What's up, math lang people? Welcome to
Math Serie,
a math podcast series where we spill the tea on math mysteries and surprising trivia. I am your host, Dan, and today we are talking about our favorite unknown, si X.
Oh my
Ngayon, bakit
gosh.
nga ba siya laging present sa math problems?
Oo nga, bakit nga ba? Parang ex na hindi makamove on, ex na laging lumilitaw. I'm your host, Robilyn, and today we're finally solving that mystery. Kasi come on, sa lahat ng letters, bakit si X ang star? Oh my God!
Sige, let's start with a bit of history. Actually, madali lang yan. Arabic mathematician noon, they call the unknown Shay. Tawag nila Shay. S-H-A-Y. Tandaan niyo yun. Ibig sabihin lang nun is a thing. Bagay. Ngayon, nung translate nila yun sa Latin, dun sila nahirapan. Kasi, yung SH na sound, hirap sila i-pronounce. Wala kasi sa kanila yun noon.
Okay.
Kaya, ang ginawa nila, pinili na lang nila yung X. Ganun lang kasimple.
Exactly. Kaya si X na napili dahil simple at cool looking. Pero who would have thought na magiging iconic siya, di ba?
Oo. Kaya pala, pero bakit, kailangan pa ba talaga natin yung X eh? Parang, hindi na lang natin sabihin yung totoong number.
Good question. Actually, kaya natin kailangan ng X kasi sila yung nagre-represent ng unknown. Yun nga yung sinabi ko kanina. Imagine gusto mong malaman ilang kilo ng gulay. Yung gusto mong mabibili sa 100 pesos.
Oo.
Di mo alam yun. Doon na papasok yung X. Puput mo siya sa kilo. Halimbawa, 20x is equals to 100.
So once you solve that, you've cracked that mystery. Parang detective lang, but in math form.
Wow.
Parang kinok, kasi
Oh.
si X lets you find the answer to all sorts of problems.
Okay.
Not just sa classroom, pati sa room.
True.
Oo nga eh. Like, even in weather forecasting, engineering, lahat ng mga field na yan, ginagamit nila ang variables para gumawa ng models and predictions, di ba?
Yun nga yung sinasabi ko. Kaya nga yung X, nandyan yan. Kasi mahirap mag-simplify ng mga ideas kapag ka hindi natin nare-represent yung unknown. Kaya imagine mo yung scientists, di ba? They had to work without X. Ang gulo nun. Magulo yun.
True. Kaya kahit sa tingin natin ang X ay parang kontrabida, is actually super helpful. It makes math universal and flexible.
So, in a way, si X parang bida na misunderstood.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, exactly. Yung X, para siyang underrated na hero. Di lang siya basta-basta letter na X. X lets us make sense of the world.
Okay.
From simple algebra hanggang sa complex calculus. Siya yung susi.
Kaya pala sa math, X really marks the spot. No? It's like the ultimate treasure.
Yes, kaya if ever you get stuck on X a math problem, remember, it's just waiting to be solved. Parang little mystery na hinihintay lang ang sagot.
Okay.
So, the next time we see X, hindi na tayo maiirita at magre-read.
Wait, mamaya
It's just part of the journey,
Wala
right?
pa.
Yes.
Diba?
And kaya huwag kayo matatakot sa X, guys. Embrace it.
Tama.
It represents everything we don't know. Pero tatandaan nyo, meron tayong power para malaman yun.
Tama.
So there you have it, Madlang people. X isn't just a random letter. It's our gateway to understanding and exploring.
And with that, let's keep those questions coming and let's answer this together.
Whether it's math, science, or everyday life, X just shows that learning never stops.
So that's it for today's Madlang People. Till next time, stay curious and keep solving those mysteries. See you
Next time!
Bye!
Bye! Bye!
Okay na yun.
Okay na yun.